The need for land surveyors has grown recently in Siddanahosahalli, a little community on the outskirts of Bangalore. Before any growth occurs, it is crucial to conduct precise and trustworthy land surveys due to the increase in urbanization and construction projects. The residents of Siddanahosahalli and the surrounding areas now have access to land surveying services thanks to the government's intervention. With the most up-to-date tools and knowledge, the land surveyors in kamASANDRA, Bangalore, can produce precise and effective land surveys. They precisely measure the topography and borders of the land using cutting-edge equipment like GPS and drones. The rights of the landowners are protected since the government land surveyors in Siddanahosahalli make sure that all legal requirements are satisfied before any development activity is done. There are several possibilities accessible when looking for the top land surveyors in Siddanahosahalli, Bangalore. Finding seasoned land surveyors in kamASANDRA, Bangalore that have a track record for giving accurate and quick services is one of the most dependable options. Having in-depth knowledge of the topography, laws, and regulations governing land in the area, these experts can conduct accurate surveys that are tailored to the needs of their clients. The top land surveyors in Siddanahosahalli, Bangalore, are renowned for using cutting-edge tools and technology, like GPS and 3D laser scanning, to guarantee the highest levels of accuracy and effectiveness. Additionally, they have a group of knowledgeable specialists who collaborate closely with them to gather, examine, and interpret the survey data in order to produce thorough results that are simple to comprehend. The top land surveyors in Siddanahosahalli, Bangalore, can offer specialized solutions to match your unique demands, whether you need land surveying services for industrial, residential, or commercial uses. They collaborate together with their clients to comprehend their goals and offer knowledgeable counsel on how to accomplish them inside the allocated spending limit and time frame. In conclusion, it is crucial to pick specialists with a track record of providing top-notch services while searching for the best land surveyors in Siddanahosahalli, Bangalore. You can make sure that your project is executed precisely and accurately by using reputable and professional land surveyors in kamASANDRA, Bangalore. Finding trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyors is key to the success of any building project since it is a necessary service. If you're looking for land surveyors in Topography, Bangalore, you could also take a look at surveyors in the surrounding neighborhood of kamASANDRA. They are able to deliver precise and dependable surveying services that satisfy the needs of your project because of their experience and local knowledge. These experts can provide effective and affordable solutions that help you accomplish your goals, whether you need boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking services. So don't be reluctant to get in touch with the knowledgeable land surveyors in kamASANDRA, Bangalore, if you're planning a construction project in Topography or the neighboring locations.